Welcome to our IPTV guide for you. Today we're discussing the best IPTV provider. Why choose 2TV.store for streaming? Let's go through the features it offers. First, you get thousands of channels available. They provide access to on-demand movies too. Setting up your IPTV player is easy. Let's start with downloading the player. Just search for the IPTV Player app. Once downloaded, launch the application. Now, enter your subscription credentials. Next, let's customize your streaming options. Adjust preferences for smoother playback. Now, let's discuss managing your favorites. This simplifies finding your preferred shows. Have you checked for free trials yet? Many services offer trials to explore. Don't forget to stay updated with offers. Join the community to connect with others. Share your favorite features in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe, explore more content, and stay informed. Start your IPTV journey with 2TV.store today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.